lovely friends, कैसे हो आप लोग? So first of all, I would like to thank you all. A big thank you to all of you because अभी recently बस आप लोग के efforts and support की वजह से I have just crossed 1000 subscribers. So thank you so much. So coming up to the point, guys, in this video I have shown how to install an auxiliary set of lights on your RS200. I know though it is a little weird on getting an extra set of lights for your RS200 because it already has two projector headlamps which are also of good capacity. It has good lumen capacity, but sometimes, believe me, sometimes I felt like that a little extra light would have done the magic, because sometimes while we ride on the mountains I felt like कि अगर यहाँ पर जरा सी भी ज़्यादा लाइट होती या थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा लाइट होती तो I would have been more confident for me to ride in this weather, in this condition and at this point of time. Because रात के टाइम पे पहाड़ों पे बाइक चलाना is little easier than दिन के टाइम पे पहाड़ों पे बाइक चलाना. I'll tell you why. Because रात के टाइम पे पहाड़ों पे there are no lights. The only light you will see is the light coming out of your vehicle or the light coming off any other vehicle while you are riding on mountains. अगर आप सुबह चला रहे होते हो तो अगर सामने से कोई व्हीकल आ रहा है and अगर उसके headlamps on है then you will not see any difference in the surroundings. But अगर वही चीज आप रात में चला रहे हो, since आपके और सामने वाले के headlamps on है, then you get an indication that सामने से कुछ आ रहा है. So you become more attentive. But during the daytime, आपके सामने से कुछ भी आए आपको नहीं पता चलता until and unless जो सामने से आ रहा है वो हॉर्न ना बजे. So it is considered to ride in mountains at night a little easier than to ride in daytime. But obviously आप हमेशा रात में बाइक नहीं चलाओगे until and unless आप कहीं फंसे ना हो. So I have been to mountains and there were at times जब मुझे ऐसा लगा कि थोड़ी सी extra light होती तो बहुत अच्छा होता. So before heading to my next big ride, that is Ladakh, I wanted to have an extra set of auxiliary lights that can be useful at times. Though I will not use them always, obviously, but sometimes. So I went to Karol Bagh and I had 3 to 4 options in front of me, ranging from 500 to 1100. But one of my friends told me to get the Cree ones. I was looking for an option which would have only one mode. A single mode would suffice, but with 3 LEDs. But it wasn't available anywhere in Karol Bagh. So I had to settle down for the option which had 3 modes with 3 LEDs. It was priced for 1100. It had a high beam, a low beam and a flasher. Think why भाई फ्लैशर क्यों दिया है ऑक्सिलरी लाइट्स में? डिस्को थोड़ी करना है वहाँ पर फ्लैशर क्यों दिया है? या मैं कहाँ चलाऊंगा फ्लैशर भाई? मुझे वो उसमें बारात थोड़ी निकाल के पीछे लगा दी बाइक और चल रही है भाई. कुछ भी करते हैं चाहिए. एनीवेज, सो मैं आप लोग को ये भी बताना चाहूँगा कि दिस इज नॉट फॉर माई डेली यूसेज. Whenever I'll be heading to remote areas or mountains, especially mountains जहाँ पे मुझे लगेगा कि हाँ सामने यहाँ पर लाइट कम है, I'll be using my auxiliary lights there only, और कहीं पर भी यूज नहीं करूँगा because I don't want कि अगर मेरे सामने से कोई ट्रैफिक आ रहा है तो भाई वो अंधा हो जाए. I know कि भाई सामने से कोई आ रहा है, I don't want to make him blind. We as biker have felt that, right? We as bikers know what it feels, right? सामने से कोई गाड़ी वाला आ रहा है, भाई लो बीम तो करनी ही नहीं है. इतना भी डिपर मार लो आप, वो लो बीम नहीं करेगा. आपको ही साइड में आप 60 पे चल रहे होगे, आपको 20 पे आना पड़ेगा. There is no other option. But we can't can't be like every other guy on the roads, right? So I'll be using it judicially. I will be switching them on only when there's a need. भाई शोबाजी नहीं करनी है हमने. Purpose है उस lights का. Whenever there will be a need, the lights will be switched on. Otherwise, it will be completely off. So come on, guys, let's check out how we got them installed and where I have installed those auxiliary lights. So these auxiliary lights have been installed at the main nut bolt of the front mudguard, and I have made no changes, no mechanical changes, nothing at all. Only the original screw has been replaced with a bigger screw. That's it. The light already comes with the fitment, and the fitment was replaced with a new fitment that was called as Royal Enfield indicator की पत्ती और Royal Enfield indicator leaf. You can get it from anywhere, any local shop which keeps Royal Enfield spare parts. And we just got it installed. It was a very easy process. Now coming to the tough part, the connection process. Both the auxiliary headlamps have been connected to the headlamp switch, and from there I have used another switch which is attached to my handlebar to turn the auxiliary lights on and off. So it was over and all an easy process. I got this from the Rollback Golden Bikes, and the whole process cost me around 50 rupees. So it all depends upon the lights you choose, right? So labor भैया ने मेरे से 350 ले लिया, बहुत ज़्यादा ले लिया, and the lights cost me around 1100 plus 100 rupees switch and volts extra, I guess. So it was around 1550. But believe me, the lights are very good if you ride in highways and if you feel like कि यार light कम है, then you should go for auxiliary lights. But भाई साहब हमेशा मत चला के रखना, it doesn't gives a good impression, and especially the flasher one. भाई साहब वो तो डिस्को है पूरा, मैं तो पागल हो जाऊंगा वो चला दिया मैंने, तो सब पागल बोली, पता नहीं मतलब मैं तो पागल हो जाऊंगा वो चला दिया तो. Just think of it कि RS आ रही है और सामने तो फ्लैश चल रही है, टक 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 टक, क्या है भाई. Thank you for watching the video, guys. I hope you would have liked this video. Preparations आप देख ही रहे हो, चल रही है जोरों शोरों से लद्दाख के लिए, and by mid September I hope we'll leave for Ladakh if everything goes well. Should I tell you now? चलो बता ही देता हूँ मैं आप लोगों को. There is also one more thing going on at the back end which is in process. अगर वो हो जाता है तो it will be the biggest adventure anyone has done on an RS. So I'll be taking my RS to a place जहाँ पर मेरे हिसाब से अभी तक कोई RS तो नहीं गई है, but भाई रिकॉर्ड बन जाएगा अगर वहाँ पहुँच गए तो. So it is also under process, and hopefully if everything goes well, we have a lot to come in So stay tuned and thank you once again for the 1000 subscriber. It means a lot to me. So चलता हूँ मैं till my next video. Bye bye. Love you all. Thank you.